Section 2.3.1, Judicial Review. Hello, I'm Dr. Adam McKee, and today we're diving into an essential topic from my book, Criminal Justice, an overview of the system. We'll be exploring the concept of judicial review and how the Supreme Court uses this power to shape criminal justice policy in the United States. Let's get started. The Supreme Court plays a significant role in shaping criminal justice policy through its power of judicial review. This power allows the court to review actions taken by Congress and the executive branch to determine if they comply with the Constitution. The court first exercised this power in the landmark case of Marbury v. Madison in 1803, where Chief Justice John Marshall asserted that it is the duty of the court to interpret the Constitution and strike down any laws that are unconstitutional. In addition to judicial review, the Supreme Court has the power to interpret the law, providing another avenue for influencing criminal justice policy. A crucial factor in the court's decision-making process is the Due Process Clause, which ensures that individuals are treated fairly under the law. Judicial modesty is a concept that some constitutional scholars believe Supreme Court justices should practice. It refers to the idea that justices should only strike down laws if they clearly violate a constitutional provision, leaving policy-making to the legislative and executive branches. However, some justices believe that the court should be more active in cases involving civil liberties and civil rights. Ultimately, the justices must monitor themselves to prevent political agendas from influencing their decisions. The concept of judicial review has been controversial since its inception because it has the potential to undermine the power of the other two branches of government. Critics argue that it gives unelected judges too much power, potentially leading to decisions that do not reflect the will of the people. Supporters, on the other hand, believe that it is necessary to maintain the integrity of the Constitution and prevent abuses of power by the legislative and executive branches. The impact of judicial review on the criminal justice system has been significant. The Supreme Court has used this power to strike down laws that violate the rights of criminal defendants and limit the power of law enforcement. For example, in the case of Miranda v. Arizona, the court established the requirement that police officers inform individuals of their rights before questioning them. This decision was based on the court's interpretation of the Fifth Amendment's protection against self-incrimination and has had a major impact on police procedures ever since. Another major area where judicial review has impacted the criminal justice system is civil rights. The court has used its power to strike down laws that discriminate against individuals based on race, gender, or other protected categories. For instance, in the case of Brown v. Board of Education, the court struck down the practice of segregation in public schools, finding that it violated the 14th Amendment's guarantee of equal protection under the law. However, the use of judicial review in the criminal justice system is not without its limits. The legal framework governing the Supreme Court's power to review laws and actions limits the court's ability to engage in judicial activism. Before a federal court can hear a case, certain conditions must be met. The case must present an actual legal dispute, and the plaintiff must have legal standing to ask the court for a decision. Additionally, the case must present a category of dispute that the law in question was designed to address, and it must be a complaint that the court has the power to remedy. Moreover, the court cannot attempt to correct a problem on its own initiative or answer hypothetical legal questions. The court's power to review laws and actions is limited to actual legal disputes between parties who have suffered legal harm and have standing to bring a case before the court. As a result, the court's ability to engage in judicial activism is constrained by the legal framework that governs its jurisdiction. Understanding judicial review is crucial because it highlights the Supreme Court's role in ensuring that laws and actions taken by the government comply with the Constitution. This power is a vital check on the other branches of government, helping to maintain the balance of power and protect individual rights. In summary, judicial review is a powerful tool that the Supreme Court uses to shape criminal justice policy and ensure that laws comply with the Constitution. While it has its critics, this power is essential for maintaining the integrity of the legal system and preventing abuses of power. The court's role in interpreting the law and protecting civil rights has had a profound impact on the criminal justice system and American society as a whole. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover, leave them in the comments below. See you next time.